want to walk into any room and make people listen. Not by being loud, but by being you. Today, you will get 3 easy tricks to win anyone over. Friends, co-workers, even strangers. This changed how I connect, and they will blow your mind too. Ready for a game changer? Let's go! Ever feel like nobody hears you? I did. A while back, I was at a friend's hangout. I'd say something, footballs. Felt like I was invisible. Then I met someone who played to my world. Her name was Jara. She wasn't the loudest, but when she spoke, everyone leaned in. I asked her what's his secret. She said, make people feel special. That hit me. I started learning how to win people over, not to fake it, but to connect for real. And I found 3 tricks that work like magic, anywhere, anytime. Let's dive into it. Trick 1. Listen like a star. Listening isn't just hearing, it's making someone feel like they're the only one in the room. Think about your best friend. When you spill your heart and they really listen, it feels amazing, right? That's the power. I tried this at a work meeting. Instead of pitching my idea, I asked a co-worker, what do you think? I shut up and listened. They got excited, shared tones, and later they backed my idea. All because I heard them first. Try the echo. Someone says something, repeat a piece. Like they go, I'm so tired. You say tired, huh? It's simple. It says, I get you. Do it today. You'll see smiles light up. Listening pulls people in. It's your first step to winning them over. Trick 2. Feel their vibe. Show you understand their emotions and they will trust you instantly. I learned this with my sister. She was nervous about a school play. I used to say, the chill didn't work. One day I said, bet you were super nervous, huh? She nodded off and up. I added, I will shake you before my big talk too. That click. She felt safe and we got closer. Use the same vibe move. Someone's upset or happy. Say, I see why you feel that. At a quick, I felt that way once, like I was stressed about exams too. It's a high in words. This builds a bond fast. It's how you turn talks into trust. Trick 3. Start a spark. Don't wait. Do something small and bold. It pulls people to you like magnet. I saw this at a community fair. A shy guy set up a tiny film on the stand. He didn't yell, just smiled and could drink. Soon kids ran over, then adults, all laughing. Sham's little move made everyone want in. Act fast. Wanna get friends pumped? Plan a quick hangout. Share a snack. Help someone out. Small stuff works. Your bike says, join me. Spark spread fast. Be the one who start it and people follow. There you go. 3 tricks to win people over. Listen like a star. Feel their vibe. Start a spark. This make you the person everyone loves to know. Your challenge. Try one hack today. Echo a friend's words. Match their vibe or spark a tiny move. Whatever happens, share your win in the comments. I am all ears.